Ebsford are an environmental contractor. We specialise in improving the natural environment and the built environment for the public and nature.
The Newton Park project is one of a number of projects that addresses both flood alleviation and river restoration.
So this park was a very run-down site prior to this project. It wasn't used by many local people. The local schools weren't able to access it very well, but the project will regenerate the area and people will be able to access the site better.
We were invited by Harrow to join in and evolve what was originally a flood alleviation scheme. The scheme, though, has evolved to include not just flood defences, it's improving the environment, biodiversity and water quality through the park.
Today we're at the opening of the Newton Park Flood Alleviation Scheme.
This is one of a number of projects across the borough that combine natural flood alleviation, river restoration, habitat creation and improvements to the public amenity.
A scheme that's been created and delivered by multiple partners, and today's been celebrated by the local community. We've had official cutting of the ribbon by the mayor and blessings by local people. The restoration of open spaces with a focus on flood alleviation but also on enhancing the community.
The project has a strong environmental emphasis, extensive aquatic planting, new log walls, the wetland areas.
We've got extreme dryness followed by heavy waterfall and rainfall, and we need to build things that are resilient and that do protect communities but also that engage communities.
This is going to be a fantastic asset, but it will need love and attention.
In order to get the park user group established, we obviously need volunteers to be part of that park user group. And what I do is that I actually send some information out to the local communities to tell them what time we're going to be meeting, the date, etc., and the venue.
So I urge all members of the public, all local people, to join the park user group. Volunteer where you can.
It's something that I've really enjoyed being part of and shows what can be done when everyone comes together.